Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Unit number 9, all is not lost, it's exercise. You have done the word meanings as this. You have completed that Urdu translation. This is third para for your screenshots. This is fourth para. This is fifth para. This is seventh para. Eighth para. Ninth paragraph. This is the translation of 9 and 10th paragraph. Today we will do its exercise. Previous week missing lecture. Question answers. What is an ICU in a hospital? An intensive care unit ICU, critical care unit CCU, intensive therapy unit or intensive treatment unit ITU is a highly specialized department of a hospital that provides intensive care medicine. Question 2. To what extent does the recovery of a patient depend upon the doctor and the nurse? The recovery of a patient depends upon the doctor and the nurse to a very large extent. A patient cannot recover without their treatment and proper care. Question 3. What do you infer about the professional skills from the expression try once for her? She had a dull confidence on her that she could make the patient recover. She is a very kind, sincere, devoted, and caring nurse. She stuck to her opinion. Her expression try once for her speaks of her profession skill. Identify kind of noun used in the text. Common nouns, proper nouns, material nouns, and abstract nouns have been used in the text. Identify cognates in the text. Nurse, hospital. Bus, eye, bed, person, patient. Duty, head, leg, arm. Machinery, battle are cognates in text of lesson. Now we proceed onward for the next question. Here are again word meanings that are in your book as well. This is oral activity from groups and discuss the following points. How important is the nursing profession? Critically, and you can have creativity answers for the question. Nursing is a healthcare profession focused on the care of individuals, families, and communities so that may attain, maintain, or recover optimal health and quality of life from conception to death. Nurses work in a wide variety of specialties where they may work independently or as a part of a team to assess, plan, implement, and evaluate care issues. Is the profession of nursing valued in Pakistan? Nursing is a major component of Pakistan's healthcare system. The topic has been the subject of extensive historical studies, is as of 2009 a major issue in that country and has been the subject of much scholarly discussion among academics and practitioners. In 2009, Pakistan's government stated its intent to improve the country's nursing care. The para is for you for a screenshot. Now we will proceed onward. Comprehension questions. Why did the nurse ask Hira's sister to come and talk to her? The nurse asked Hira's sister to come to her, thinking that the voice of a near and dear one might activate the nearly dead neurons. Why did the nurse disagree with the doctor's point of view? The nurse was not agreeing with the doctor's point of view because she thinks that it was an unwise to leave a patient unattended. Life is very precious. A chance should be given to a patient. She thought that her full attention could make her patient recover, and it is a very great feeling. Question 3. Why did the nurse ask herself the question, was it worthwhile to oppose and fight the decision of senior and more qualified surgeons? The patient was a hopeless case in the eyes of the surgeons and they wanted to get the bed cleared for the other patients. The nurse requests the senior doctor to let her stay in the ICU and allow her to attend to the patient. Her request was conceded too. She asked this question to reconsider her judgment about the patient. Now, question 4. Describe some qualities of the personality of the nurse in the story. She was wise, devoted, sincere, honest, kind-hearted, and ambitious. She had positive thinking and strong willpower. Why did the nurse say, where there is a will, there is a way? She said so because she proved it practically that a hopeless patient could be cured if you are willing to fight a lost war. If there is no will, there is no way. With strong willpower, a man can also accomplish impossible tasks. Now we proceed on the rearrange the sentences, and here are the questions written in your book. Who We do not have much hope for her. Now here are the answers. Please note down. As a young professional, I wished to save the world. One day, standing at the bedside of a young bus accident victim, I wondered if she could make the same recovery as others. I could not leave my patient fighting a lost battle on her own. The advice to leave the patient unattended did not seem right. One day I was thrilled to see her lift her little finger. All was not lost. Now here is matching of column A and B for you. Beside, by the side of. Ironic, conveying opposite sense. Made up, decided. Justify my sentence. Prove myself right. Identify phrases and idioms in the lesson and use them in your sentences. Again, I would repeat that students, you can have your own sentences. A young professional, Asad Shafiq is a young professional player. With utter surprise, I looked at my lost brother with utter surprise. Severe head and spinal injuries. Nasir received severe head and spinal injuries in a car accident. Now, here is a normal person exercise might help her walk to like a normal person. A small recovery, the patient showed a small recovery after a week. A big smile, he meets me with a big smile on his face. Fight a lost war. There was no hope of Azra's recovery from illness, but the doctor fought a lost war. Eventually, Azra recovered. A hopeless case, she's a hopeless case according to the decision of the heart specialist. Now, cognates, as we have already done, its list used in the lesson: university, college, pen, sea, hospital, bike, phone, house, road, park, doctor, train, van, and so on. Now, here are words in sentences as verb and then in noun. V stands for verb. हम इनके sentences देखेंगे first verb के तौर पे और फिर noun के तौर पे. Verb are action words and noun are naming words. Care as verb. She takes care of her children. Care as noun. He is free from cares. Walk as verb. He is too weak to walk. Walk as noun. Let us go for a walk. Surprise as a verb, all night to surprise the rebels. Surprise as noun, I have a surprise for you. Request as a verb, I requested him to help me in this matter. Request noun, he made a request for further aid. Need as a verb, I need your help. Need as a noun, we are in urgent need of nurses for this hospital. State as a verb, the facts have been clearly stated in this report. State as a noun, she is in a state of shock. Now we proceed onward for the grammar work. Rewrite the following paragraph. Put in article a and the to replace where necessary. Article a and the. Here is, I am stopping for the screenshot. I replied, commas closed. I am trying to make her brain process her sister's voice. Stop, commas closed. Direct, indirect. दूसरा, are you looking for your patient? Question mark, commas closed. She said. अब इनके आंसर्स देखिए एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे, ये भी आपके पास लिखे हुए हैं, स्क्रीनशॉट में मौजूद है. She asked me whether I was looking for my patient. The doctor requested me to go and see other patients. Now present continuous tense, interrogative and imperative sentences example is here. It is also written in your book. For the revision, I am stopping here. Present indefinite, change into past indefinite. These are the rules written in your book. Kind of sentences, assertive, negative and interrogative, also written in your book. Direct, indirect, written in your book. Interrogative sentences, direct. The doctor said to me, do you smoke? Do, interrogative. The doctor asked me, after deletion of do, we will add if I smoke. They said to the students, will you listen to me? Will, interrogative. They asked the students, after will, we will add if they would listen to him. She said to me, can you lend me your camera? Can हटा के हम if लगाएंगे. She asked me if I could, can को change करेंगे could में, lend her my camera. ये आपके पास ऐसे ही एग्जाम्पल है. The doctor asked me if I smoked. फिर he inquired of them if they would listen to him. फिर indirect, I asked her if it was her book. फिर indirect, I asked him what की जगह पे what ही आएगा, what he was doing. He asked me why, change नहीं होगा, why I was laughing. I asked him when का when आएगा. His father had retired. He asked me where का where आएगा. My mother was. He inquired me who की जगह who आएगा. Had broken that window panes. Whom की जगह ये देखिए. I asked him whom की जगह whom he wanted to see. And the last, I asked the stranger how he felt in Pakistan. अब हम imperative sentences की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. The master said to the servant, go to the market and bring some vegetables. Go जो verb की first form है और imperative में हुक्म दिया जा रहा है, उसके लिए हम addition of to करते हैं. The master ordered his son to go to the market and bring some vegetables. The servant requested the teacher respectfully to allow him to go out of the class. और हमारे पास एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस हैं जिसमें किसी किस्म के एक्सप्रेशन, फीलिंग, हैप्पीनेस या सोरो का या सरप्राइज का इजहार होता है. उसमें देखिए, he said, commas closed, inverted commas beginning, hooray, exclamatory mark. We have won the match. He exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. He exclaimed with sorrow that he was undone. She exclaimed with wonder that I was very clear. She exclaimed with wonder that the day was very fine. He exclaimed with wonder that Aslam was a great fool. He exclaimed with wonder that she was very cunning. Now proceed onward. These are the change of narration of the following sentences. I have stopped it for you. The questions are in your book and I am reading the answers. He said to him what he was reading. He said that I had made a mistake. She forbade wasting my time. He asked me if I would catch drama that night. She requested her sister to listen to her. Now compound prepositions according to, because of, in front of, along with, और फिफ्थ में है away from, instead of, and सेवन लास्ट सेंटेंस में है he could not attend the seminar because of his brother's marriage. और हमारे पास past perfect continuous है जिसमें had been के बाद since और for का इजाफा होगा. मेथडोलॉजी हम रिपीट करते हैं. सब्जेक्ट एडिशन विद ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब had, ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब been और मेन वर्ब जो है लगाकर उसके साथ वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ ing होगा. जैसे इट हैड बिन रेनिंग सिंस मॉर्निंग. और इसका हमें सेंटेंसेस में यूज देखते हैं. आपके लिए मैं स्क्रीनशॉट के लिए इसको स्टॉप कर रही हूँ हेयर. Salim was sitting on the chair out of breath. He had been running. We had been walking along the road for 20 minutes when our car stopped and the driver offered us a lift. I had been doing. Fourth sentence, they had been taken से taking. The patient had been crying with pain when the doctor arrived. अब हमारे पास sentences बनाने हैं past perfect continuous tense के, और ये हमारे पास एक्सरसाइज आपकी बुक में मौजूद है कि हमने कैसे इसको, ये मैं स्क्रीनशॉट आपके लिए रोक रही हूँ थोड़ी देर, आप इधर से हेल्प ले सकते हैं. तो स्टूडेंट्स ये नैरेटिव फोकस ऑन द पॉइंट्स हैं. और एक आपके लिए क्रिएटिविटी वर्क है कि व्हाई आई लव पाकिस्तान. ये आप अपने से खुद से लिखेंगे. ये मैंने आपके लिए स्क्रीनशॉट रोका है. ये आपका क्रिएटिव वर्क है. डेफिनेटली हर शख्स पेट्रियोटिज्म का जज्बा रखता है. अपनी मदरलैंड, अपना मुल्क, अपना वतन हर एक को प्यारा होता है. ये बहुत छोटा सा हिंट है. इसके लिए आपने क्रिएटिव राइटिंग करनी है. नाउ योर लेसन इज कंप्लीटेड. हैव अ नाइस डे, हैव अ नाइस टाइम. बेस्ट ऑफ लक.